Close your eyes and picture the year 2026. Cars that drive themselves without cloud support. AI agents making decisions on your behalf. Neural tech that lets you control devices with just a thought. And entire cities powered by green, self-sustaining technology. The future isn't some distant sci-fi movie. It's arriving in the next 12 months. In this video, we'll break down 15 technology trends that will define 2026. From edge AI and robotics, to brain-computer interfaces and sustainable innovation. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see how all these pieces aren't just cool gadgets. They're threads weaving into a single ecosystem that's about to change the way we live, work, and even think. Trend 1, Agentic/autonomous AI agents. Let's kick off with something that sounds straight out of science fiction. Agentic AI agents. These are not the chatbots you're used to. Instead of just answering questions, they actually plan, decide, and execute tasks on their own. Imagine telling your AI assistant, plan my trip to Dubai, book the hotel, schedule meetings, and send reminders. And then it just does it, end to end. That's the power of AI agents, and by 2026, they'll be everywhere. In customer service, in offices, even in personal assistants at home. Just watch how an AI agent can already navigate a browser, click buttons, and book things like a real digital worker. Trend 2, extended reality/AR/XR interfaces. Next up, extended reality or XR. Think of it as a seamless blend of the physical and digital world. By 2026, your glasses might replace your phone. Instead of pulling out a screen, your messages, maps, and even games could just float in front of you. AR isn't just for fun, it's set to redefine work, shopping, healthcare, and education. Here's a glimpse of what AR glasses already look like in action. Trend 3, edge AI and on-device intelligence. Trend number 3 is edge AI, and this is a big shift. Right now, most of our AI processing happens in the cloud, which means your data travels back and forth. But edge AI brings the intelligence directly onto your device, faster, safer, and far more private. By 2026, phones, cars, and even home appliances will run AI locally. That means your fridge could recognize when milk is low and order it for you, all without sending data to a central server. It's a silent revolution, but it's coming fast. Trend 4, low-code/no-code AI-boosted development. Number 4, AI supercharging no-code tools. For years, no-code platforms allowed anyone to build apps by dragging and dropping. But now, with AI added into the mix, these tools will feel like magic. Imagine dragging a button onto a screen, and the AI automatically builds the database, back-end logic, and even tests it for you. This means by 2026, millions of people with zero coding knowledge could become software creators. Developers won't disappear, but the barrier to entry will drop dramatically. Trend 5, smart infrastructure and next-gen IoT. Finally, trend number 5, smart infrastructure. Cities are getting brains. By 2026, sensors, cameras, and IoT devices will connect everything from traffic lights to public transport. Roads will adjust signals automatically, energy grids will predict demand, and water systems will detect leaks before they happen. This isn't just about convenience, it's about saving resources, improving safety, and making urban life smoother. Think of it as a digital nervous system for your city. Trend 6, generative AI and multimodal content creation. By 2026, generative AI will be everywhere, and it won't just mean typing a prompt into ChatGPT. We're talking about AI that can create across all mediums at once. Imagine this. You type a single request, make me a cinematic video about saving the oceans. Instantly, AI writes the script, records a lifelike narration, generates original visuals, and even composes background music to match the mood. This isn't future hype, it's already happening. Right now, companies and creators are using generative AI for marketing videos, product design mock-ups, even movie storyboards. By 2026, expect multimodal AI tools to become as common as Photoshop or Microsoft Word. Everyone from solo entrepreneurs to Hollywood studios will be producing professional-grade content with AI at the core. Trend 7, AI plus robotics/physical intelligence. Trend 7 takes us from the digital world into the physical, robots powered by AI. Until recently, most robots could only perform repetitive, pre-programmed tasks, assembling cars, moving boxes, and cleaning floors. But now, thanks to advances in machine learning, robots are becoming truly adaptive. Picture a warehouse robot that doesn't just follow a fixed path, but can navigate around obstacles, reorganize shelves, and even collaborate with humans safely. Or delivery bots that weave through busy sidewalks without bumping into people. Boston Dynamics robots can already run, climb, and jump. By 2026, these robots will be smarter, cheaper, and integrated into daily life, from healthcare to logistics to your local grocery store. Trend 8, quantum and hybrid computing. Next up, quantum computing. This is one of the most misunderstood but potentially world-changing technologies. A normal computer processes information in bits, zeros and ones. But quantum computers use qubits, which can represent multiple states at once. That allows them to solve problems that classical computers would take thousands of years to crack. Now, does this mean you'll have a quantum laptop by 2026? Not quite. Instead, what we'll see are hybrid systems, classical computers paired with quantum processors for specific, complex tasks. Industries like pharmaceuticals, materials science, and climate modeling are already experimenting with this. By 2026, expect breakthroughs in drug discovery, financial modeling, and cryptography powered by hybrid quantum setups. Trend 9, digital twins and simulation. Imagine building a new airport, testing a new car engine, or even redesigning an entire city without touching a brick, a bolt, or a streetlight. That's the power of digital twins. A digital twin is a highly detailed virtual copy of a physical object or system. And it's not just a 3D model. It's fed with live data, so it mirrors reality in real time. By 2026, digital twins will be everywhere. Cities will have twins to simulate traffic and energy usage. Hospitals will model patient treatments virtually before applying them in real life. Even factories will test new assembly lines digitally, saving millions before committing resources. It's like having a crystal ball for engineering, business, and urban planning. Trend 10, health tech and biointegration. Finally, let's talk about the future of health. Health tech is moving from reactive to proactive. Instead of waiting to feel sick and going to the doctor, your body will be monitored continuously through wearables, smart implants, and biosensors. By 2026, your smartwatch won't just count steps. It will track glucose levels, detect irregular heartbeats, and even predict illnesses before symptoms appear. Hospitals will rely on AI to assist in diagnosis, while bio-integrated devices could automatically adjust your medication dosage. This isn't just about convenience. It's about extending lifespans and improving quality of life for millions of people. Trend 11, security, zero trust, and privacy, first design. Trend 11 is all about trust, or rather the absence of it. In the world of 2026, zero trust security will be foundational. The idea is simple. Never trust by default, always verify. Every request, every device, every user must prove themselves. Nothing is assumed safe. In practice, zero trust means access is granted on a just-in-time basis, permissions are minimal, and every interaction is monitored. It's about shifting from protecting a perimeter to protecting every node and pathway. By 2026, zero trust will be baked into every OS, network, and application. Privacy will also become proactive. Data encrypted at source, processing done locally where possible, and users having real control over what is shared. Check out this demo of zero trust in action. Trend 12, sustainable technology and green innovation. Trend 12, technology must respect the planet. In 2026, we'll see sustainable tech move from niche to norm. This means ultra-efficient chips, biodegradable materials, energy harvesting sensors, carbon-aware algorithms, and smart power grids that balance demand dynamically. Imagine roads that generate electricity from sunlight, sensors that transmit using power from ambient vibration, data centers cooled by ambient air rather than heat pumps. The tech world will be judged not only by what it builds, but how green its footprint is. Trend 13, advances in memory, hardware, and neuromorphic chips. Trend 13, the silent revolution in hardware. For all the AI, XR, and robotics we talked about, the heavy lifting happens in silicon. In 2026, we'll see leaps in memory, hardware architectures, and neuromorphic chips. Expect next-generation memory. Think faster, denser RAM, novel non-volatile memory types. More 3D chip stacking, miniaturized AI accelerators, and neuromorphic designs that mimic how our brains compute. Efficient, parallel, low power. These advances will enable devices to run AI continuously, making intelligence ambient. Here's a demo of neuromorphic/AI hardware in action. Trend 14, brain-computer interfaces/neural tech. Trend 14 is one of the most futuristic. Brain-computer interfaces, BC is. This is where the line between mind and machine starts to blur. Imagine controlling devices just by thinking, or hearing a whispered command in your mind and having your system obey. Early versions are being tested today: implants to help paralyzed patients, wearables that detect brainwaves, devices that link to Alexa, or smart home systems. By 2026, non-invasive and semi-invasive BCIs may enter consumer use for gaming, AR control, health diagnosis, and beyond. Watch this demo of a BCI in action. Trend 15, platform convergence and ecosystem integration. Finally, Trend 15, convergence and ecosystems. All the trends we've discussed, AI agents, XR, edge computing, robotics, hardware, BCIS, security, sustainability, they won't exist in silos. They'll converge into platform ecosystems. In 2026, the big players will be those who can integrate these threads. Your health data works with your home, your AI agent communicates across your devices, your city systems integrate with your personal tech, your neural interface talks to your XR glasses. The value won't be in single-point products, it will be in seamless, integrated systems. That's the future. 15 tech trends shaping 2026. Some loud, some silent, all unstoppable. The question is, are you ready? Hit like, subscribe, and let's step into the future together.